piece of water. Exploring a new piece of water here. Private. This is a private section to get on. I needed permission from the farmer to get onto this river. Or this stretch anyway. It's quite handy if you know the right people and get access to places where a lot of people can't get onto. Certainly going to be a great day. Starting to warm up already. It's only about 7:30 in the morning. You can already start to feel the heat coming off that sun. So she's going to be a scorcher. Hopefully we can find some fish. Plenty of water to cover as we get into a gorgy section up above. We should get into some pretty good water. Looks alright here though. I was opening up a few rocks just beforehand. Food sources, mayflies and caddis. Really large mayflies, some of them. But a number of horn-case caddis under the rocks. So it's good to know what we're dealing with. New water, or new water for me. There's a fish in there, quite a small one at the back. Oh, there's another one on this side too. A couple of fish at the back here, not big, but they're fish. See? The one swinging at the back. See that? I'm not bothered about the bumblebees as long as there's not as many wasps. See in the back there? Got him! On the dry too. Hopefully I can get him. Fold him. Nice. Awesome. 3.5 pound. Nice fish. Oh, lovely. Nice. Awesome. Not a big fish, but nice healthy one. Feeding at the back of that pool. Took the dry. Fired in a dry dropper setup. A wee mayfly nymph on the dropper and oh, size 12 mayfly for the dry. No hesitation in coming up and taking that. There is a couple of fish in that pool and managed to keep them down. The two fish I've seen are not big, but nice little warm up to hopefully something good later. Certainly a much bigger fish at the head of this pool I can see. Much bigger. Oh, it's coming back down, I think, if that's the same fish I'm looking at. Yep. Get down there. Keep it lower. There's a lot better fish. 4 pound plus. Oh. Got it. Oh, damn. Downstream take. Yep. Yeah, I thought that would happen. He came back for the nymph. I kind of waited, but yeah, I wasn't sort of expecting him to come back for that. Nice fish too. I'm not expecting that one to be back. Oh, got him, and then he took the dropper and then come off. Make sure that fly's alright. Fly's still there, just come off. Come over, it was a pretty good cast. Oh well. Jeez. Sure what's going on here. Feels kind of solid actually. Well, he might have had me in a bit of weed actually. He might have had me in something down there because he feels like got a bit more control of him. Initially, he's actually fighting quite hard though. Heck yeah. Over here more. Jeez. Yeah. Got some toe this one. I haven't had a good look at him. What does he look like? Is he decent? Gives me the impression with the fight that he's decent, but it's a good fish. Waving, I thought. What are the colours on it? It's a cracker. Let's take the nymph. I thought he took the dry. Did he not?
He felt it.
Well, he did have the dry, didn't he? Unless...
Yeah, he came up to the dry.
And then he might have got this in the end. I don't know where he's hooked on that one. But I did legitimately get him on the, you know.
Yeah, because I've seen them come up and take.
Yeah, well that's what I saw. I didn't see the nymph, the dry gunder. I mean, if it's on the mouth, then that's fortunate, but then that's not so bad. It feels like it's at the front of him. Careful here, it's 5X. You know. No.
Oh, it might be right on the nose of it.
Ah, yeah. It's not so bad. At least I hooked him on the dry to start with.
Yeah.
It'd be fortunate if I did get him on the nymph in the end.
Yeah, look, it's right on the edge of his nose there.
Oh well, that's not so bad. There's certainly a bit of luck involved in that one. It's part of the rig. It's not foul hooked after all. 5.5. It's pity he didn't stay on the dry because I can't call it a dry fly take. In the end, I didn't catch him on the dry fly. I hooked him on the dry fly. Great fish. Still see it?
Put your head up a bit. Yeah.
Awesome. Well, that was fun. Put up a good fight, didn't it? Yep. To his right though. Oh no, he looked like he was going to swing over, but he didn't really. To his left. Not showing any interest. It's quite hard to get the cast straight because it grabs the line. Now I'm getting the spot. Not sure that he's that interested though. Oh, that's the money. Got him. Good cast. Hey. Fish.
Hey?
Similar fish to the last one. I was happy with that. Took a bit to get cast in, eh? Good. Oh, took the nymph this time. Finally got the cast where I wanted it. A wee bit thinner, he's not quite as good as the last one. 4 pound. A wee bit skinny in it. Yeah, looked a lot better in the water when I first seen it. That last one was a much better one, wasn't it? Oh, just about at the end of this gorge section on this river, and it opens up. fairly open to the northwest winds. A little bit sheltered here, but you're gonna feel it once we get through the other end of this gorge here. That's alright. 3 fish to the bank. And I've had a couple get off. 5 hookups, 3 landed. See if we can get another one. Actually, no, I had him. It was a weird one. Great fish. I was actually looking at another one. It wasn't the one I was looking for. Cracking fish. Good fish. Could be potentially the fish of the day. Fish burrowing down. Oh, could have got him then. Nah. Oh, nearly. Got him! Stoked. Oh, yeah, fish of the day, I'd say. It was a double nymph rig. That wasn't the fish I was looking for initially either. 5.5 pound. Definitely the fish of the day though. In terms of condition, but poor old fella, look at that, see anything? Nice. Yeah, there's another big one sitting right on the bottom of the pool just up there. And this one come out of nowhere. And I just set up a double nymph rig so I can try and get down deep because it's a really deep pool. And there's a really big fish, probably 7 pound plus, right on the bottom. And I was just putting in my second cast and then this fish come down. And he must have taken the bottom fly, the small mayfly nymph, on his way down. I didn't even see that fish. And I just went to lift to virtually cast again. And then the line tightened and the next thing, that fish was on. I just seen him on the corner of my eye swimming down and I was thinking, oh, might have a cast at that, and then he happened to take my fly anyway, so. A strange run of events there, but they all count. Basically just grabbed it and hooked himself in the end. So yeah, I've lost a couple. And landed 4, so not a bad day really. wee soft hackle, just feeding away, just under the surface. Great condition. Look at it. Just a tad under 5. Lovely fish. Great condition. Look at it. Nice. Off you go. Awesome. Hopefully we can find a few more like that. That's the kind of fish we want to see. Fat, nice and healthy looking. Got a mark on it.
Such a long way for me out across the great wide ocean. Keep a light on, I promise I'm coming home. And there I'll read your poetry by the fire. Right now it is nighttime in our Ebony, Scotland, and I'm all wrapped up in the soul of the water of our life. You're so silent when you sleep, when you dream, when you kiss. Nighttime diamonds all around.
Sorry mate, you're a bit battered and bruised.
Always cross
Should have left you alone, shouldn't I have?
such is life.
Yeah, pretty poor condition, isn't it? Yeah, you off, mate.
Nighttime in our Ebony, Scotland, and I'm all
Racing over there. Literally just rose. Good cast. He's racing over to it. Oh, just pulled away. Got him! He's big. Yep. That's a big fish, that one. Yep. he took the nymph. Look at that. Patient. So I'm ready. Tail him if I can. Get it soft up there, it's alright. Yeah, well hooked he is. Try and keep him a short line, but big, it's hard to get his head up. I don't want to go in there because he'll take off. No, me. Here we go. Nearly. God, this is a beauty.
Almost didn't see him until he like swung.
Over 7 anyway. Yeah, about 7 pound. But the condition of it though, this is the sort of fish I come up here for. Got a good picture of him in the sun.
Yeah, there's a good fish.
Yeah, this is more like the fish I come up here for. entered the gorge section of this river, and we've got a couple of fish feeding a smaller one on the left. There's a big guy on the right, I think he's pushed up. There might even be 3 fish around here actually. It's one at the back's definitely smaller. Probably going to have to go home. I'm just going to dry on at this stage. Kind of looks like it may take a dry. Quite high up in the water column. Come down this way. Come down this way. There's another couple of big fish in there, but might not be able to help it. I can bring them down here. Well, he's already spooked the other fish. Oh, he's still there, the other one. Need to keep him down here. There's definitely, I think there's 2 others up there. Keep him down here. It's only a little guy. Beautiful little hand. Look at that. Nice. There you go. Right under that rock. Absolutely hammered that dry, eh? Yeah, hang on. Yeah. 8 1/4.
Turn sideways.
Stonker. Look at it. Wow. It's madness. Oh. Just having a bit of a rest. Here's where I caught that fish. Took me, Christ. I'll see if I can zoom the camera and just sort of give you an idea how far I ran from. Just up in here, a bit of wood is up there. Where are we? Yeah, it's way up there. Just up in there somewhere. So it'd be a good 400 metres. That's where I am now. Of course I just landed it. Just over the other side towards that cliff there. Heck of a mission. Beautiful fish. Of course this water's quite fast along here. So the current was just taking them all the way down, so I couldn't do much about it. But 8 1/4 pound, stunning fish. Great day for it too. Sit down and have a well-earned rest.